Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron here, and I'm just in Glasgow. I moved over 2 weeks ago. That's probably why I haven't seen any updated videos from me. But what I wanted to do in this one was talk about the process and something I learned the other few weeks ago, maybe a few months ago, that really changed my view on this here whole entrepreneurship game. And it was like how to become an entrepreneur. And I've got a wee video as well coming up next to go into more depth, but this is a real eye-opener for me, and it's like I learned it from the Entrepreneur show. One of my mentors has showed me this here, and it just really opened my eyes, so that's why I felt like this was going to be a good one for this first 10 video series. So what is the process? Because there's a process to everything. And there's a process when you work at McDonald's. Might get a wee bit noisy here, but it'll be alright. There's a process for when you work at McDonald's, so there's a process to being an entrepreneur, which I learned from the Entrepreneur show. So the process to McDonald's, right, is simple. One person does the BAP, one person does the burger, one person puts it together, one person gives it to the customer, puts it through the till. It's like a process, and it's a pretty simple process. So I just wanted to keep this kind of short, and really, how do you become an entrepreneur and what's the process for becoming an entrepreneur? And it's pretty simple whenever I found out about it. So pretty much an entrepreneur makes money, so he solves a problem, they solve a problem, and they get paid. So it's sales. You have to sell something. And how do you make a sale? Well, sales and money comes from confidence. So you have to be confident at what you're selling. And how do you become confident at what you sell? Is becoming competent. And this is the process. So the process for being an entrepreneur is confidence. Then what precedes confidence is competence, and what precedes competence is training. So this is what I wanted to share with you. This one first was the process of being an entrepreneur, and how do you make sales is through training, because you might go days, weeks, months without making any sales, but you just got to keep training, and you'll just get better and better. You become more competent, more confident, and money will become the byproduct. And this is what I wanted to share with you, my friend, the process of becoming an entrepreneur, and really just training and training hard. I'll catch you in the next one. Watch out, because it's coming very soon. Have a great day. See you later.